The question is very simple. Guess how many marbles are inside this jar. There are two methods to answer this question. First method, wisdom of crowds. To understand this, you need to know the experiment conducted by Francis Galton in 1917. An ox was on display and nearly 800 villagers were invited to guess the animal's weight. Galton studied their individual entries and was able to calculate an answer similar to the actual answer. He calculated by taking the average of all entries. But how does this work? Some people's guesses are really close while others are completely off. Does their dumbness and smartness cancel out to give the answer? Well, kind of. If we see this on a number line keeping the actual answer as the center, people either overestimate or underestimate it. When we find the average of it, we get the answer. But what if you need to guess without having the values of the entries in the first place? That's when you use the second method. So the formula goes like this: volume of the container divided by the volume of the marble into random packaging density. How do we find these values? Well, it's simple. Volume of the container. See how many marbles are fit across the jar, both horizontally and vertically. Just count them. If the marble is around 1 cm, the jar is n cm wide and n cm tall. By using these values, we calculate the volume using this formula. Volume of a single marble is estimated to be around 0.5 considering its 1 cm size. And finally, RPD. This factor accounts for the empty space between the marbles, whose value is around 0.75. Substitute all these values and there you have it. I have created a program where you can just enter the width and height of the jar and you will be able to estimate the answer. Also check out the program which uses the first method. Like the video if you learned something new and sharpen your brain by following.